This is a cold start, as you can see by the temperature gauge on the right. It's been sitting overnight. One of my favorite features of this car is the adjustable and adaptive suspension. The car has the, like many other BMWs, it has the sport and comfort buttons. And this particular model also has the adjustable suspension, which again is one of my favorite features, because if you put it into comfort mode, that's where it's at right now. I'm going to put it into Comfort Plus, and you can see that there above the P on the tachometer where it says Comfort Plus. This makes the car ride better than probably any car that I've had, even with the 20-inch wheels. But yet, you can also put it into sport mode. Comfort is default. And you can put it into sport mode, the displays change, and it firms up the suspension and makes it fun to drive as well. Yeah, so just a little bit of background there. Again, the temperature gauge is, well, it's the oil temperature gauge. On the right is still pretty low, and it's typically up midway when the car is warmed up. Not really much to see here. Guess I should mention the other thing that changes when you switch from Comfort or Comfort Plus to Sport or Sport Plus is that the exhaust valves change as well, and the exhaust gets louder in Sport or Sport Plus. Temperature gauge still pretty low, but yeah, there you have it.